Ever wonder how designers make their Canva projects look layered and dynamic? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to position an image backwards in Canva, a quick and easy way to add depth, balance, and polish to your designs. Whether you're working on a presentation, a social media post, or a digital collage, getting your layers right can completely change how your design feels. Sometimes you'll want an image to sit behind text or another element to bring focus where it matters most. Let's walk through how to do it. First, click on the image you want to move backwards. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline or resizing handles appear around it. This step is important. Canva only shows you editing options for the element you've actually selected. Now, take a look at the top toolbar above your canvas. You'll see several editing tools, things like crop, edit photo, and transparency. Find the one labeled position and click on it. This opens up Canva's layering controls, basically the way you control what's in front and what's behind. Since we want to move the image backward, click on the option that says backward. Instantly, your image will shift behind other elements on the canvas. If you want it to go even further back, say behind several layers, keep clicking backward until it's exactly where you want it. Canva will move it step by step through the stacking order of your design. You can also choose to back if you want to send it all the way behind everything in one click. It's a simple but powerful way to organize your layout fast. As you adjust, watch how your design changes visually. Moving an image to the back can help text pop, create more space, and make the whole design feel more professional. And that's it. You've just learned how to position an image backwards in Canva. This small technique can make a big difference in how polished and intentional your work looks. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try layering shapes, photos, and text in different ways until you find the balance that best fits your creative style. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick Canva tips to elevate your designs. Thanks for watching and keep creating.